Hi everyone, welcome to CoinXL, and today I'm going to be discussing the bonus plans that will be available at our launch date. So let's go ahead and get started. The first is going to be the passive strategy, and any member that joins CoinXL and purchases a plan, we will pay out a 1% trading bonus on a daily basis for a period of 150 days. That is going to be our contract period. So for the first 100 days, the member is going to receive a 100% of their initial Bitcoin investment. And then from days 101 to 150, CoinXL is going to continue to pay that additional 1% per day for an additional 50 days, which will give them a 50% bonus in Bitcoin directly to that member's account. So as an example, if a member were to select the XL1 plan, for example, which is for 1 Bitcoin, at the end of 150 days, that member will have received a total of 1.5 Bitcoin in return, or a net profit of 50% payable in Bitcoin. Now, our members are going to be able to withdraw any accumulated Bitcoin, and that can come from the daily trading or a binary bonus, which is part of our marketing system, with no minimum. We're not going to do automatic deposits like other companies have done in the past, where you have to wait till your account reaches 0.03, 0.05, or 0.1. We just didn't feel like that was fair to the member who invested with CoinXL to purchase a plan. We wanted our members to be able to log in anytime manually, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and if there's any Bitcoin that is accumulated in their account, then they have got the ability to withdraw that anytime they like. We feel this is going to be a huge advantage in the marketplace, and is going to allow our members to see results literally within 24 hours after they purchase the plan. In addition, the cutoff for daily business will be midnight, and that is London time, with no server downtime. We don't have to shut down our servers or go into maintenance mode for 20 or 30 minutes. Our website is going to be up and running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. All the commissions and the bonuses are calculated on separate servers, so we don't have to have any downtime on our website. And remember, it is daily pay. So there are 3 ways that you're going to be able to earn with CoinXL. The first is passively, and that is 1% per day for 150 days. Or you can choose to build a team by referring others who are interested in earning passively, or maybe want to build a team with us. And we're going to pay you for your recommendations, 5 to 20% through a very simple binary marketing system on a daily basis, and that will be paid on all the Bitcoin volume that is on your lesser team. Or you can combine the both. You can take advantage of the passive side by earning the 1% per day, and if you choose to, take advantage of the binary bonus, where you can earn from 5 to 20% per day, and you can earn much, much faster. Now, the third way has nothing to do with CoinXL, and that is the Bitcoin appreciation value. Ladies and gentlemen, if you had purchased Bitcoin back in April 12th of this year, 1 Bitcoin was $1,224, and yet just 2 months later, on June 12th, that same Bitcoin was worth over $3,000. So any Bitcoin that you would have had in your wallet going back to April of this year, in just 2 short months, would have risen in value to over $1,789. Now, that's an increase in the Bitcoin. That had nothing to do with CoinXL. That is just the appreciation value, the market conditions that are taking place with Bitcoin. And ladies and gentlemen, this is just the beginning of where this incredible currency is headed. Now, our referral system takes advantage of a binary marketing system, and we love that because it's the power of 2. You're only building 2 teams, a team on your left and a team on your right. And the beauty about a binary is that it pays on infinite levels deep, okay? All you have to do to qualify, and that's for plans LL05 to XL4, is to enroll 1 person in your left and 1 person in your right team, and you're permanently qualified. And you'll be able to earn from 5 to 15% daily on all the Bitcoin transactions that are taking place within your team, and we pay that on your lesser team. Now, here's the beautiful part about this. Think about it. Anytime a member would be joining your team today, maybe they upgrade their plan or they renew their plan, you're going to earn the binary bonuses over and over again from 5% up to 20% of all the Bitcoin volume in your lesser team. And here are our basic plans. We have 4 of them. The first one is LL05, and you can see all plans include an admin fee of 1.75% that is built into each one of the plans. The LL05 is the only plan that is not eligible to receive the 1% daily trading bonus. But you can get started for literally less than $100 and take advantage of building a team. We'll reward you with a 5% binary bonus. You can earn up to 0.10 Bitcoin on a daily maximum or 3 Bitcoin per month on the monthly. Now, when you think about that, somebody can start for less than $100 and actually earn up to 3 Bitcoin per month off of this plan. And ladies and gentlemen, 1 Bitcoin right now is at $3,000, so that's $9,000 a month at our basic plan that you could earn in Bitcoin. You could upgrade or begin at L1, and at the L1 package, that's 0.1 Bitcoin, and this is the plan that begins the 1% daily trading bonus, and you can see there the return after 150 days would be 0.15 Bitcoin. You can earn up to 6 Bitcoin per month if you take advantage of our marketing system at the L1 level. Or you could upgrade to L3, which is 0.3 Bitcoin, and you can see the return at the end of 150 days. That will rise in value to 0.45 Bitcoin. We also pay the 7% binary, and you can see the daily max as well as the monthly max on L3 is 18 Bitcoin per month, which is huge financially. And then we have L5. This is the final plan of the basic plan, and at the L5 that's 0.5 Bitcoin, and at the end of the contract period of the 1% for 150 days, that client would receive a total back of 0.75 Bitcoin. Here we've raised the daily max to 1 Bitcoin per day or 30 Bitcoin per month. And you could start small from LL05 and upgrade to L1, L3, or L5. You just pick the plan that is most comfortable for you. Our premium plans, and there's 4 plans that are available there, would be XL1. That's for 1 Bitcoin. And at the end of the contract period, that client will have received a total of 1.5 Bitcoin in return. Double digits on the binary bonus, and you can see there's a substantial raise in the monthly max, and that is 60 Bitcoin per month. That's the most that you can earn from the XL1 plan. That's 1 Bitcoin. XL2 is 2 Bitcoin, and you can see at the end of the contract period of 150 days, the client would have received a total of 3 Bitcoin. And 13% on the binary bonus, and we've increased the monthly maximum. We've doubled it from the previous plan up to 120 Bitcoin per month is the maximum there. And XL4 would be 6 Bitcoin would be the return, 4 Bitcoin to get started with the plan. That's a very, very nice return of 2 Bitcoin would be their profit. 15% on the binary bonus, a maximum of 8 Bitcoin per day or 240 Bitcoin per month. And then the plan XL5. Now XL5 is pending at this point. It's not going to be available at the launch date because there is some programming that has to be done with respect to a qualification. This will be the only plan in our portfolio that has a qualification other than to enroll 2 people. Okay. At the XL5, it's 5 Bitcoin for this plan. The return at the end of 150 days is 7.5 Bitcoin. There's a 20% binary bonus, and there is an asterisk by that because there is a qualification, which I'll cover with you here in a moment. And that's 10 Bitcoin per day is the daily max, or 300 Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen, per month. So in order to qualify for the 20% binary bonus, here's what you have to do. First of all, you have to upgrade or begin with the XL5 plan yourself. And then you must enroll 2 people that are at the XL5 plan or upgrade. Okay, that's the first part. And you have to personally enroll 1 left, 1 right. And this is not from the efforts of the people above you, your sponsor, your sponsor's sponsor. That's called spillover. That doesn't count. This is personally enroll 1 left, 1 right who begin at the XL5 plan or upgrade to that plan. And then you want to help Gina get her first 2 people in, and then you want to help Jim get his first 2 members in. And each one of them must upgrade or start with the XL5 plan. There's no time limit on this, but once you complete this structure, the computer will notify you right away. Congratulations. You are now permanently qualified to receive the 20% binary bonus on all the Bitcoin volume that takes place on your lesser team. Now, on all the plans that go from LL05 up to XL4, the only qualification is that you just have to enroll 2 people. But in order to qualify for the 20% binary bonus, then you have to have this structure. And this is the XL5 plan. You start at XL5 plan, upgrade to there, enroll 2 who get 2 who do exactly the same thing. One-time qualification that can never be taken away from you. The income objectives that we have at CoinXL is very simple. And that is that we want our live traders to average gains of 3% per day. Because we know that at 3% per day, it ensures the daily trader bonus and the binary bonuses. Any gains above 3% from the trading activity are going to go into a reserve account, and that will offset any days that the traders earn less than 3%. We want to create like a war chest, for lack of better words, because we're going to have revenue coming in from the daily trading through the top 40 cryptocurrencies. We're going to have mining operations with Bitcoin mining. That's going to be a source of revenue. In addition to that, we're going to do arbitrage through the various exchanges where you can buy low Bitcoin in one exchange and sell it for a higher price and make an immediate profit. All that is going into these accounts, of which is going to be the revenue to the company, which we're going to be able to pay out. Okay. In addition to that, we're going to release our own registered coin through what's known as an ICO. This is an initial coin offering, and this is going to be huge. This is going to be like owning stock in CoinXL, but instead of shares, it's going to be in tokens or coins, just like the tokens or coins that you see at the top of this screen. There's over 742 registered cryptocurrencies. We're going to have our own registered cryptocurrency called CoinXL. And through the mass marketing power that we have through our collective membership, we feel very confident that through social media and through word of mouth, we can accelerate and increase the price of this coin very rapidly. So can you imagine we announce our ICO and you're able to buy this coin at literally pennies on the dollar, and pretty soon it goes over $1, $2, $10, $50, and however many coins that you have in your portfolio is going to be the value of where that coin is in the marketplace. So that's going to be a tremendous benefit for all the members that are joining early when we announce that ICO. So here's the 5 member benefits for joining CoinXL. Obviously, we got the passive results. That's 1% per day for 150 days. We're giving our client a 50% return on their Bitcoin investment. Binary bonuses that can pay from 5 to 20% daily, up to a maximum of 10 Bitcoin per day per account. We've also got the appreciation value of the Bitcoin, and we know that the price, even though it's $3,000 now, it could be $4,000 by the end of the year. Experts are predicting next year to be $10,000 to $30,000 per Bitcoin and up. So this is the time to accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible, and we feel very confident through the platform of CoinXL. This is going to be a very long-term opportunity for you. And then, of course, we're going to have our registered coin, and we want you to purchase as that coin into the thousands, okay, when it's inexpensive, because this is going to provide a huge advantage in your portfolio with the gains. And of course, we've got the portfolio of alternative coins. Those are the altcoins, as they're known, that you see at the top of this page. And for those of you that have an interest, if you want, we're going to show you how you can actually set up a trading account and receive the live feeds through our bot. It's very simple. I've actually done it, and I've never really done trading much in my life, but here's my own account. You can see there I am at the top, and just today my gains were about 32%, and I've only got 4 coins at this point. I started with 2 Bitcoin, and my goal is I want to drive this portfolio up into $1 million plus. 2 million is actually my goal, and so I want to duplicate all the coins that we have in our portfolio that have been recommended through the bot. And so I've got 4 now and 16 to go. And I just want to say thank you very much for watching the presentation. We're very excited as we prepare for the launch of CoinXL, and we've got a lot of great things in store for you. Stay tuned for up and coming announcements.